Use Udemy. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use Udemy. Now, you might have been wondering what Udemy means. Udemy is an online educational platform where you have access to a list of courses and information. On Udemy, you can learn and get certified. Not just learn, but learn well. Now, once you log in into udemy.com, you'd have to sign up. Once you sign up, your own page would be like the one on your screen right now. So, once you're on this home page, you can decide to be an instructor by signing up with Udemy, or you could just decide to be a student. Now, as a student, the first thing to do is by clicking on categories located next to Udemy logo on your home screen over here. Once you click on it, a list of areas of studies will be displayed to you in the drop down menu. So it's left to you to select the one that catches your interest. If you're a business person, or you're looking forward to personal development, or a designer, or a fashionable person, or photography, music, whichever aspect, all you need to do is to select it. Now today, let's say business. Then you want to go into sales, for example. A list of courses are available to get you started. These courses will not just teach you, but make you certified and enable you to use that skill to make more money. So once you sell once you select your niche, you can just select a course. Once the course is selected, you can preview the course by moving to the left side of the screen to know what the course is all about, and eventually you can decide to purchase the course. Now, by scrolling down on the course page, or the course player page, sorry, you would see reviews about the course. This is to boost your desire either to get the course or not to get it. So this is a basic way of using the the Udemy site. It's very simple to navigate through. So besides this, like I said, you can also be an instructor. As an instructor, you would have to have your curriculum, have a course, and create a course. Once you create a course, through the Udemy support team, you would learn how to push your course out to users, and how to make more money on Udemy. All these are available and you can learn anywhere. You're not limited to a four-wall classroom. You can learn anywhere as long as you have a good internet connection and a good mobile device, either a laptop, a desktop, or your mobile phone. So that is how to use the Udemy website. Thanks for watching.